Hello guys! Today we'll speak about new verb in Russian. So the verb читать, infinitive читать, it means to read, and you have to know how to change the end of the verb because in present simple, in Russian present simple, let's say, we should know how to do it. Okay, but in the future will be different. Be careful. If you need to know about future, check my previous lessons. Okay, so let's start from я. Я, it means I am. So я читаю, you at the end. If you see here infinitive читать, not you at the end, but here you can see, right? Okay, next ты means you, but informal, because in Russian language you have two different forms, like to say you. So first one, if you know the person and it's like informal, it's your friend from someone, I don't know, you know this person for a long time. But another way to say вы, to say you, it will be вы. It's a person who you respect, show your respect. It's not first time, maybe it can be, but from the first time for sure you have to say вы. Okay, but if you want to change it after 5 days meeting, you can ask the person, can I change to вы to ты? So you have to ask about that. Maybe person not allowed you. So be careful with that to be not rude. Okay, next verb он читает. Он, it means he, читает. Okay, yet at the end. Она, she, читает. Again, yet at the end you can see. Оно, it, читает, also the same end. So if you can see, он, она, оно, he, she, it can be with the and yet at this verb. Okay, so next they, it means они читают, ют at the end, you can see it. Вы, you see here can be plural, like you guys, all of us, my subscribers, my favorite friends, I don't know, вы, or someone who I told you from before, who you see the first time. So it's your first meeting and you want to show your respect. So вы читаете. For example, you're in a supermarket checking some books and someone asks you, вы читаете эту книгу? Do you read this book? But you at this sentence can be вы. Why? Because the person didn't know you from before. So вы читаете, it means you, like formal or plural. Вы, my subscribers. Вы читаете my favorite book. Where? Like we are, like мы like to read the same book. So we читаем my favorite book, мою любимую книгу. Okay, let's repeat again. Я читаю, ты читаешь. Again, ты here, it's like informal, right? Он читает, она читает, оно читает, они читают, вы читаете, и мы читаем. Okay, do you read the book? I think so. So to improve your Russian, you need to read the book, but maybe at that book or in your favorite book you can find another verb you need to see how it will be in Russian and how will change this end. So ask me under this video and for sure I will answer you. So see you next time and take care.